I'm Bob Vavra, Content Manager for Plant Engineering Magazine, and on behalf of Plant Engineering, Control Engineering, and CFE Media, I want to congratulate ECS Solutions on being named 2016 System Integrator of the Year. With me here today is Tim Matheny, President of ECS, and Randy Otto, Vice President. Gentlemen, first of all, congratulations on the award.
Thank you very much, Bob.
Talk about the importance of this award to ECS Solutions, both from an individual standpoint and from a company standpoint.
Well, for my role at ECS as the vision caster for the company, I'm constantly trying to encourage our folks to do great things and that they're capable of doing great things. And this award to me is an epitome of that. And I can take it back to them and say, guys, see, you know, I was right for a change. You really can do great things and believe in yourself.
Randy?
Well, for our employees, it's great that during projects, a lot of times they will get recognition from their customers and just the overall success of the project itself. But it's great to finally get an opportunity to have some other outside source recognize them for their work and accomplishments.
It's an exciting industry, and it's been a very evolving industry over the last several years. Talk about some of the changes in business that you've seen and some of the ways that ECS is poised to meet those challenges.
Well, when I started in this industry, I won't say how many years ago, it was enough to be a PLC programmer and an HMI guy. As a matter of fact, I have to admit, I kind of predated most HMI software. Today, it's a different deal. What ECS is challenged to do today is to deliver systems to that not just do the acts of controlling the equipment, but as a whole solution that wraps around what is needed to solve this business problem of making something that you can sell.
And I'd just like to add to that, the convergence of IT and manufacturing has been a big part of the change that we've seen. I can remember 15 years ago, we seldom, if ever, had a database as part of a control system that we would provide, and now we see a database on every project practically, especially the systems that Tim's talking about.
Yeah. This IT-OT convergence that we've been hearing a lot about, one of the things that has struck me in writing about it over the years is that we've had these silos, and those silos had been shooting at one another for a long time. Now we've got these IT and OT people coming together to solve common problems, but each with their own individual approach to those problems. Can you talk about a little bit about that?
Well, it is a challenge for the two groups, and it remains a challenge for them to talk to one another because they've come from two different worlds, but they're starting to work together. They're getting more training together, and we've actually hired people from both. I mean, we've grown up in the manufacturing world, so control system engineers, we've got plenty of those on staff, but we've had to bring in IT folks in order to merge the two together in our company.
What are some of the keys to building a company like ECS Solutions? What are the things that you look to do on a daily basis, and what are some of the long-term goals that you have that are will allow you to accomplish that?
Well, it is a challenge. Over the years, some of the things we've done as a company is we've grown up as a local systems integrator. I think most integrators have, but we worked within about a 3-hour radius of our main office, and we've really tried over the past 5 years to grow beyond that and to be able to take on more of a specialized offering and take it out to the nation and actually across the world.
And that's where I see again my role, Bob, with the company is ECS. We are rebuilding our company literally here around some advanced software that we have created for batch manufacturing, and that allows us to just reapproach that whole process and deliver something of high value. And it's exciting to be part of doing that. It's not just the technology part of it, but it's helping the customers to solve their problem so that they can be more profitable making whatever they make.
And being a resource to your customers, not just even as we talked about earlier, not just even providing a system, but providing a continuing resource for them to help them grow as you grow.
That's one of the things I think that manufacturing is adapting really that from the IT world, this idea of even service contracts, this ongoing, I'm not just going to buy a solution or a system and expect it to be and exist the way I need it, but I want to buy coverage for that system, support for that system, and the output or value that that system can produce over 20 years.
Very good. Well, it's a great honor to recognize ECS Solutions. Congratulations to both of you, and congratulations to all your employees.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.